Did you say you just called a homo a bitch?
I said, bitch! I think I just called him a woman.
Oh. Okay.
Are you recording?
No. Yes. And she that wasn't in English.
Everything else you say, I never.
Screw you. With the flea and the bird and the bird and the egg on the nest. No, the flea on the bird and the bird and the egg and the nest on the branch and the branch and the tree and the hole and the green grass grows all around. One, I started losing breath, and two, I got that all wrong because I was saying like the what? I don't even know anymore.
I just know the egg comes out of the ass, so I just went ass down and then bro.
Do you have eggs?
Yes.
Oh, dude, you just admitted that. Is it Jackie? Jackie has eggs.
She texted it to me.
What'd she say?
Download. It's download. How long you guys gonna be out?
He texted back. Are you trying to say something?
Alright. I'm looking. That's a car.
Ice cream.
I was looking at the license